Hey guys, so yesterday I received this package from BT Cosmetics, and you know what it means. This time they sent me like really huge box and I'm so excited. You can see BT Cosmetics. I haven't opened this yet because I wanted to open this together with you, and this box is huge and heavy. This is how it looks like. And first thing I see BTS photo card. Yay! I'm so excited. And the star of this video is Perfume. This is the perfume, and they sent me email to choose my perfume, but that time they didn't reveal that which perfume belongs to which BTS member. So I randomly chose vanilla scent perfume. It turned out that this is Jimin's perfume. Yay! I'm happy, still happy. They sent me like 3 packets, one, 2 and 3. And first let's open this perfume because I'm so excited. So perfume is this. So this is the packaging. This is the back packaging. This perfume price is $58. They released on their BT Cosmetics global shop. It says Latte, I don't know how to pronounce. Poudre, powder, I don't know. 3 ml made in France, BT and BTS. Wow, this is the perfume. Yay! I'm so happy. Jimin, this is you. This is your perfume. Smells so good. I like this. Oh my god, I really like this. I will go to BT Cosmetic pop-up store and I will smell every perfume, but they recently said only one person can buy only one perfume, so you can't buy all seven. So but I really like this. Jimin, is that you? It's so good. Oh my god, I love it. I will use you forever. It has like really sweet vanilla and cinnamony smell. My favorite perfume all the time is Reveal by Calvin Klein, but they recently discontinued that perfume. I was looking for like same fragrance, but I haven't found yet. But I think this is similar, like Reveal, Calvin Klein. It's so good. It's super good. Thank you, Jimin. Thank you, Jimin, for giving us this perfume. This is the perfume I was looking. You nice, keep going. French designer who design perfume, who make perfume for Dior and really high-end brands. He made this perfume. He designed all this perfume. I really like how he came out with this fragrance, and I'm super happy with this perfume. Super happy, and I'm glad that I chose this perfume. I wanted to try other fragrance too, but right now I'm super happy about this perfume. Guys, you need to check this out. And next in this packet we got new Stay Line lipstick. Oh my god, they sent me new Stay lipstick. So I got new lipstick. This is made in Korea. Stay in half pen, half tint. Number 1 is more red, number 2, and this is number 3. So this is half side you have gloss and half side you have matte lipstick. So let me try one of these. Maybe let's try pink. Stay Line looks really good. Oh wow. So this is the packaging. I believe the price of this one lipstick is $20. Half side you have gloss, and this is the color, and half side you have matte lipstick. Applicator is different both sides, and this smells really weird. This is your discolor pink, and this is your gloss lipstick. These days I'm really into pink color, so this is perfect. I love it. And next time I will try the matte one. So I got 3 colors: pink, orange and red. And then next I got BTS Born Natural Special Capsule Mask Kit. BT Cosmetic also released their new skincare line, and which looks like this. So they also sent me new skincare line, capsule mask, special capsule mask peeling. Oh, this is peeling, hydrating, and this one is brightening, nutrition and soothing, pore care. One is deep moisturizer. Different days try different kind of. It's fun. I like the perfume. Thank you so much, Jimin. With those capsule masks, they also send me these skincare products, and let me open this. So first is this brown. What is it? This is BTS Bond Natural Watering Fit Cream Fluid. So packaging is like this, and when you open this, so this is your cream fluid. So it opens like this. So maybe this is your moisturizer. On the packaging you have instruction in Korean and also in English, which is really convenient. So it says on the packaging, essential cream that contains rich moisturizing energy light cream fluid forms a moisture protective shield on dehydrated skin. So this line called Bond, this is BTS Bond Natural Watering Fit Serum. So serum look like this. Oh wow. Wow, packaging is super good, super like luxurious. A moisturizing serum that balances dehydrated skin and provide nourishment to skin with healthy moisturizing effect. And next we have this one, pink one. This is BTS Bond Natural Watering Fit Toner. Oh, and then toner looks like, oh, packaging is super nice. Toner is like this when you open this. Moisture ampule toner that provides a strong moisturizing effect. It will be absorbed into skin lightly and revitalize rough and exhausted skin. So all these products are super good for hydrating skin. And lastly we got cleanser maybe. So this is your cleanser. I think this is a foam cleanser. It says it helps to remove makeup and harmful substances from exterior environment. So this is your cleanser. Step 1 cleanser, step 2 toner, step 3 maybe capsule mask, and then serum. Lastly your moisturizer. So this is your new Bond line from VT and BTS collaboration. Lastly we got this packet and I'm super excited about this one. So this is BTS postcard. Thank you VT for sending me BTS postcard. Oh no. Oh my god, I think like they are looking at me like this. Oh my god, these one are transparent. Oh, I'm not ready to open this. Come on BTS, please. First photo of BTS together. Everyone looks so good. Oh my god. And next is our leader Namjoon. Come on, focus camera. So on the back you also have information about perfume, like which perfume belongs to which member. Jeho, Jiminshi, nice, you keep going. I like you. I like your perfume. And Vichy, Jungkookshi, Puri Makne. They all look so handsome. Jin, the worldwide handsome. And lastly we have my favorite, Suga. And then transparent one, let's see. So this one is for perfumes and these one is for stay line. So first we have Suga. So first we have Suga, if you can see. Suga, J-Hope, Namjoon, Namjoon, RM. You have Jungkook, and then Vichy with lipstick, yay. And then Jiminchi, and then we have Jinchi. These are like super big. I like it. And then lastly we got what is it? So we have two special edition lipsticks. So one is cute and one is lovely. And one is lovely. And this is BT21 lipstick. We have RJ, Suki, Koya, Tata, and everyone. So when you open this, wow. So these are 4 lipsticks. Kimi, Cookie, Suki, Mang. So lovely is this. Wow, it's so beautiful. You have color 1, 2, 3, 4, Koya, RJ, Tata, and Wan. So these are your 2 kits, lovely and cute, and they are super cute, super adorable. Packaging super good. I did my 2 giveaways in past, but some people go really mad about giveaway and they send me so many messages, like DM me on Instagram like I need this prize, oh please give me prize, I'm this and that, and they get like overly sweet. So after doing giveaway and after getting all these reactions, I get like really uncomfortable. So that's why I was avoiding doing giveaways. So many people can't get BT21 products in India, so I was thinking to give away these lipstick. I want to give back, I want to share my stuff with you, but I don't like when people get overly sweet with me. I don't like when people send me messages like, oh, I need this product, oh, please give me this product, and they spam me, because not so many people can get BT21 products in India. So I decided to give away these two. Winner will get these two lipsticks set. I will choose only one winner, and for more information please see my description box below. And please try not to send me, not to spam me on Instagram. I want to share so many products with you, but I'm really afraid to do giveaways because I want my audience to be really open, really honest about me. I want like real true friend. I don't treat you like just subscriber, I treat you like my friend. So please be my friend and be honest with me and be like a friend. Just be cool about it. It's just a giveaway. I feel bad when I do giveaway and I only have to choose one winner. After choosing one winner after my giveaway, it feels really bad because I wanted to give like more to you. I wanted to give everyone something. Yeah, it's really hard to do giveaway actually, for me, especially for me. So yeah guys, this is it. This is my unboxing my new BTS perfume and I love it. So yeah guys, this is it. I hope you like this video. I hope you like all the BTS stuff. So yeah guys, I will see you next time. Take care, have a nice day, bye.